Have you ever wondered how much cryptocurrency Donald Trump holds? Well, wonder no more. Recent disclosures reveal that the former president holds between $250,000 to $500,000 of assets in a cryptocurrency wallet, specifically Ethereum. This venture into the digital asset world is not just a whim, but a calculated business move tied to the burgeoning field of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. Following his departure from the White House in January 2021, Trump surprised everyone by releasing a limited edition collection of 44,000 NFTs. These digital tokens, fashioned as cartoon-like trading cards featuring the former president in various outfits, sold out in a single day. A second batch, released in April, met the same fate. The sales of these NFTs brought in over $8.9 million, with Trump earning nearly $300,000 in licensing fees. These earnings were collected by CIC Digital, the same entity under which Trump's Ethereum wallet is held. It's a surprising turn for the former president, who had previously expressed criticism of cryptocurrencies. However, it seems that the allure of financial gain was too strong to resist. While the Securities and Exchange Commission has been actively regulating the cryptocurrency industry, it has so far not taken any action against NFT creators and companies. As such, Trump's venture into the world of NFTs and Ethereum is unlikely to result in any legal issues. In summary, Trump's foray into the world of digital assets has proven financially successful, with his Ethereum wallet holding a substantial amount. Despite his previous skepticism towards cryptocurrencies, it seems that the former president has found a new way to monetize his brand and influence. Only time will tell how this venture will play out in the long run, as the world of cryptocurrencies continues to evolve and mature.